Meet the Magnus 3D printer, an affordable, high-speed DLP 3D printer designed for small to medium jewelry manufacturers. With an optimal platform size, it's also a favorite in commercial 3D printing environments, helping them fulfill large orders in record time. Featuring a 52 micron pixel size and 20 to 40 micron layer thickness, Magnus delivers exceptional surface finish. Its long-life vats support up to 1,000 print jobs, with no frequent recalibrations needed. Magnus isn't just fast. It's reliable, efficient, and built for business.